Hello, thinkers. I am Miss Mona Lisa, and today we're asking the question, what's imagination?
What is imagination?
So what is imagination? How do we use our brain to think of new things? How do artists and scientists use their imaginations?
Woohoo, Miss Mona! Hey! Hey, everybody. You know what? I am so excited today. I'm Miss Information, and I love the word imagination. But here's the thing. It's a cool word, but it's just your thoughts. It's just your thoughts. That's all imagination is.
So those are two words that are often confused for the other. Thought and imagination. A thought is the mental process that happens in your brain. An imagination is a voluntary thought that happens with an effort. So let's think about our toothbrush. The thought may come to mind that you need to brush your teeth in the evenings. But you can imagine yourself walking down the hallway into your bathroom, picking up your toothbrush, picking up your toothpaste, squirting it on, and brushing your teeth.
Ooh. All right, fancy pants, Miss Mona. But here's something I know. Our friend Miss No would totally say that facts were way more important than imagination. I mean, your knowledge, your noggin, all that stuff is more important than imagination.
Well, I don't want to argue with Miss No. She does know a lot. But Einstein once told us that imagination is more important than knowledge, for knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the whole world. This has never been more true than today. In our world of big data and big technology, it's what we do with that knowledge that is really important. We know the motto, knowledge is power, but today, imagination is power.
Oh, well, okay, cool. But you know what? I don't need imagination. I mean, I am misinformation. I only need things that, just regular humans need. Artists are the only ones who need imaginations. Just artists.
Yes, artists have to use their imagination while they're creating art. That's very true, but we're forgetting about the other side of the world, those STEM professionals. Scientists, technology, engineers, and mathematicians, or STEM professionals. They have to use their imaginations before they create something of their own. Let's think about cell phones and microwaves and GPS systems. They are technological, but they started in imagination. Artists are perpetually using their imaginations to change the world around them and the perspectives of people around them. I'm going to read Miss Information and Miss No a story and have them draw what they are imagining is happening to the words that I'm reading. Close your eyes and imagine that you are a great, wise elephant. Your toes are pearly white. Your legs are long and strong. Your tail flicks and swishes. Your ears hear every whisper of the wind, and your trunk stretches out far from your face and reaches down to your knees. Take a great, deep breath in through your elephant trunk. Then slowly let it out, long and slow, through your whole trunk. All right, ladies, now it's time to take a look at how your different imaginations interpreted this story. Are you ready? 1, 2, and 3! Now let's take a closer look at these two elephants. You both heard the same story, but there are 3 key differences that I noticed in your drawing. One of you has a front view of the elephant, while the other has a side view of the elephant. You'll also notice that the trunks are a little different. one is much higher in the air than the other. And the last thing I noticed is that Miss Nose has a lot more detail in the teeth and the trunks.
What's up, guys? My name is Dylan Houghton, and I'm an exercise physiologist / nutrition coach / overall health coach / personal trainer. I'm just adding on stuff now, but basically an exercise physiologist. Some of you are like, what in the world is an exercise physiologist? Is basically someone that understands exercise on a deeper level. So you understand how exercise promotes and prevents diseases, it promotes overall health, and prevents things that we just want to avoid. Now, how I became an exercise physiologist is I went to school for it. So I did my undergrad in nutrition, and then I did my graduate degree in exercise physiology, and here we are today. The coolest things about my job is that I get to wear a t-shirt and gym shorts to work every day in tennis shoes. What? And I get to work in an awesome environment like this, and I get to help people change their lives every single day. Not just physically, but mentally and in a million other ways. If y'all have any other questions about an exercise physiologist, what they do, how to become it, feel free to reach out to me. I got y'all. Peace.
All right, thinkers, now it's time for you to start using your imaginations. I encourage you to make your own imagination drawing and share with us below using the hashtag #TheLivingThink. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to more episodes of The Living Think.